Meera Kamath is a veteran civil rights activist, political activist, human rights act activist, and moreover a great noble social worker. The countless activities at the age of 73 undertaken from her home 24/7 on a phone call to give solution for the distress and underprivileged symbolizes the great passion towards her social contribution during COVID-19 pandemic. Born in Mangalore, Meera shifted to the city of Mumbai around 5 decades ago and is well connected with various social groups for disseminating information and creating awareness on social change. Even at the advanced age of 73, Kamath continues to work with dedication and passion, reaching out to the distressed. Recognizing her contributions to the betterment of the society, WIATS World in Action Theological Seminary, Florida, USA awarded her with a doctorate degree in the year 2018. Meera got many accolades from students' fraternity for her fight for delivering justice to 29 students of Aditya Dental College in Bhid, Maharashtra in the year 2012. The institution was short on educational facilities which was brought to her notice by an NGO. Meera took up the cudgel on behalf of the students who were being physically abused and harassed by the trustee and management for highlighting the misdeeds of the institution in public. Her efforts bore fruit when the High Court of Aurangabad passed an order to shift all the students to other Maharashtra University of Health Science affiliated colleges and restricted Aditya Dental College from doing any admission for the current year. Several of those students owe their careers to Meera Kamath, whom they consider as an angel. Earlier as well, on several occasions, Meera was in news for filing public interest litigations against land mafias, plots reserved for parks and educational institutes, and secured effectively from the clutches of vested interest for the welfare of the common citizen at large. Her role during the 2001 Bhuj earthquake and the help rendered to the victims in Gujarat was phenomenal. Her pill was very instrumental in forming the Rajya Mahila Ayog in Maharashtra. Meera Kamath has always believed in the upliftment of women in our society and has been constantly fighting and supporting in getting them their due recognition and justice. She has been on hunger strike on innumerable occasions for various issues pertaining to the rights of the common citizen. She was the forefront in the crusade against drugs and domestic violence prevailing in the society. Meera was felicitated by former Maharashtra Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis in 2016 for her immense contributions to the society at a function organized by Voice of India taxpayers. A great salute to this humble soul who is continuously striving hard to make a better place for us to live. Kudos to Meera Kamath, a true power of one inspiring to the force inside of everyone.